Experiencing health, good health, happens when all various components of music in our body join together. That is also an experience of harmony. That is health. So underlining essence of life is to live in harmony, means experiencing unity, the result of which is health. The effect of good health is vitality. Our heartbeat is the beat of drum of life, so rhythmic. Even our breath. When we are exhausted, breath becomes automatically deep. After a while, it's back to rhythm, back to its own state of tuning. So also the heartbeat, so also the blood pressure. So we are experiencing melody of life, bringing together, whether it is of individual or of a family or a community or a city, a nation or a religion or faith or anything it could be. You need connectedness, unification. Like all petals of a flower are connected. They are connected. There is some kind of connection. Similarly, five senses, predominant senses. There are many senses in our body, but predominantly five senses, they have combination, connection. Eyes, maybe sense of touch, sense of vision, sense of taste, sense of hearing, and many other senses. However, they have connection, common connection. They have to understand each other, senses, in the sense the information that comes in is processed and communicated with unity, with unison,